So I don't know if you've heard, but Elon Musk, he came out the other day and he tweeted, made it official that you can now finally buy your brand new Tesla with Bitcoin. And this is pretty big news because they're the first car company to let you buy a car solely with Bitcoin. They've tackled some of the challenges because buying anything with Bitcoin, Bitcoin's price could go up or down 10, 20% any given day. So they've tackled some of those issues. But according to Elon Musk's tweet, he came out and said that now Tesla will officially accept Bitcoin as a valid form of payment for its cars. And if you look on their website, so you can look on their website for a brand new car. When you look to order it, it says you can order it with a card or you can pay with Bitcoin. And a lot of people have had questions about how this will exactly work. What happens if the price of, Bitcoin changes? How are you going to pay for your vehicle? Is how many Bitcoin you're going to need to spend change? And yes, that is how it exactly works. According to the Tesla Bitcoin FAQ page, they explain all of this. They say, how do you pay with Bitcoin? What if you send the wrong amount? How long does it take to process your Bitcoin payment? Can you send your Bitcoin from multiple wallets? And basically, you only can send your Bitcoin from one Bitcoin wallet. You can't send it from multiple wallets. Also, when you go to check out, you can either scan the QR code or copy and paste the Bitcoin address and the exact Bitcoin amount and send that exact Bitcoin amount from your wallet. Over time, how much you have to pay changes. So it automatically updates on the Tesla website to really follow the price of Bitcoin. So you're going to have to pay whatever it is at that exact moment. That's how much Bitcoin you're going to have to pay. But this is pretty big news because they're the first car company to really allow you to pay for a vehicle with Bitcoin. And other big news with this is that you have to be careful because when you buy something with Bitcoin, actually the IRS is going to tax this. So they're treating it like you're selling an asset. Same as if you sold a stock, same as if you sold real estate for capital gains. You're going to have to pay taxes on whatever capital gains you made. So let's say you bought Bitcoin at $6,000 per coin. You got one Bitcoin. Now it's at, let's say, $60,000. You're going to have to pay taxes on that $54,000 gain. So you're going to have to know when you bought it. So is it short term? Is it long term? You're going to have to keep that in mind when you're buying anything because the IRS taxes it the same way as if you're buying and selling an asset. Same as if you bought a brand new Tesla with Bitcoin. But this is really, really big news.